So this is how you withdraw your Mega Network tokens. Make sure you install OKX. Link will be in description below, and make sure to verify your account. With that said, after installing the app and verifying your account, click on Wallet, and then a new page will immediately appear. Then click on I already have a wallet. Click on that and you will see a bunch of options. Then click on seed phrase, because you'll be using the 12-fold wallet phrase which you used in setting up your Omega Network wallet on the Omega Network app to do this. So paste in your phrase and click on confirm, and then you'll be required to set up your password. So set up the password and then you're partially done. The next stage is for you to click on the discover button down below and then paste in this link. The link will also be in the description below. Paste in the link once you click on the discover button down below. Then once the page loads up, click on the three buttons at the top right, click on connect, click on OKX wallet, and then you should see the amount, your 25% of the tokens which you mined. Then click on claim. It will require a contract interaction. Click on confirm and verify, put your password and wait for it to load up for the verification to finish so that the token will be transferred immediately to your wallet. As you can see, it is done. So if I should go back now, I should see it immediately on my wallet. And as you can see, this is the token. The 25% mine is 17, and if we should go back and check the charts, you will see that the token is still developing momentum. The chart is developing momentum. So there will be much more on that on our next video, so make sure to subscribe and see you next time.